March Madness is here, ladies and gentlemen, and it is blowing in some huge savings this month here at Galt Chevrolet. For a truck lover, this is Christmas in March. We've got all the power plants down here for you to choose from. We've got our 2.7 liter turbo, the gas-powered V6, our brand new Duramax inline 6 in a 1500, the 5.3 liter V8, the granddaddy of them all, the one that's been there for us forever. And did I happen to mention that they put the 6.2 liter Corvette engine in the Silverado as well? Stop on down, give me a call here at Galt Chevrolet.